Every second counts in tool production. With the new transition movements in NUMROTO X, machine movements between grinding operations are calculated automatically for maximum efficiency and process reliability. Instead of simple positioning moves, NUMROTO X determines an optimized and collision-free path between operations. The result is smoother machine movements, reduced non-productive time, and fewer unnecessary axis movements. Even complex tool geometries and large axis changes are handled automatically, helping to maintain efficient and reliable machine operation. Users can easily influence the calculated path through parameters such as safety distance, approach direction, and retract direction, while the optimal transition movement is generated automatically. This minimizes manual optimization and ensures consistent machine movements throughout the entire grinding process. Your benefit: shorter cycle times, smoother machine movements, and greater process reliability with automatically optimized transition movements.